Are you struggling to include custom JavaScript files in your React application? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today, we're going to simplify the process for you. I totally get it. You have JavaScript files sitting in your public folder, and you want to use them in your React components. It can be confusing, especially if you're new to React. But don't worry, we will walk through this together. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, how can I include JavaScript files from the public folder into my React components located in the sar.c folder? If this sounds like your situation, stay tuned as we explore the solution. So, why is this an issue? React has a specific way of handling files, and understanding how to properly link your JavaScript files is crucial for your app's functionality. Let's break it down step by step. And make sure to stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you manage your JavaScript files more effectively in React. To include custom JavaScript files in a React application, the user should first ensure that the JavaScript files are placed in the public folder of their project. This is important because files in the public folder can be accessed directly by the browser. Next, the user needs to reference these JavaScript files in their React components. This can be done by adding a script tag in the public index.html file, which is the main HTML file for the React application. After referencing the JavaScript files, the user should ensure that the scripts are loaded correctly. They can do this by checking the browser's developer tools to see if the files are being loaded without any errors. Finally, the user can now use the functions or variables defined in the custom JavaScript files within their React components. They should ensure that these functions are available in the global scope if they want to access them directly. Fun fact, did you know that React was developed by Facebook and is now one of the most popular JavaScript libraries for building user interfaces? You're in good company. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests placing your custom JavaScript files in the same folder as your React components. You can then import them directly into your components. For example, to import a file named jslibrary.js, use the import statement with the correct file path. Make sure to export your functions or variables from your JS library file. For instance, you can export a function like this. Export function function1. If you use export default, you won't need brackets when importing. For more detailed information, check the documentation on import and export statements. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your JavaScript files organized and well documented. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. And that's it. You should now be able to include custom JavaScript files in your React application with ease. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks, and don't forget to check out our next video for more React insights.